We're doing lunch again?
We're doing lunch again?
Okay. I guess. We really have nothing going on today.
We really don't.
I'm super busy at work, and you've been doing craft stuff with the kids.
Yeah, the kids, Fulltime Families kind of did an impromptu craft morning.
What did they make? Oh, wait, what's today? Day 17.
Day 17.
17.
Yes.
We need to talk about tomorrow at some point, too, because I don't think a video is going to happen tomorrow.
We can make a video happen tomorrow.
We're going to be
I know.
gone,
We'll figure it out.
says the person who doesn't edit the videos.
Shh. So...
Did they make something? You brought something back to the table.
They're very wet. They either used a ton of white glue.
Okay.
I hate white glue. Or a ton of paint that is like never going to dry.
What are they?
Brooke made a Christmas tree that looks adorable.
Okay.
She made a dinosaur, a butterfly, and a flower. Ben made a flower. It's on the other side of the table trying to dry in the Florida sun.
There's nothing on the table, sweetheart.
It's not on the table.
Oh, it's on the bench. On the bench. Don't get mad at me. I can't see it.
I didn't want
here.
it to be on my tablecloth.
Well, the tablecloth that already has holes in it.
The tablecloth is my present. Oh, I'm so glad.
Then why do you guys keep destroying Mommy's tablecloths?
I bought my present.
What are you eating?
Those apples are weird.
They are.
They are super white. What kind of apples are these? Cortland apples.
Cortland? We got a big bag of them at BJ's the other day.
It meets or exceeds U.S. extra fancy standards.
Yeah.
Okay. They're like very white.
Extra fancy.
Very white.
Hey!
In the middle.
You don't need that spoon, do you?
No.
The tree's on today. The tree was not on yesterday during the video.
Oh, I'm sorry.
We got more questions about the map.
Yeah, map's from IKEA.
The map is from IKEA. Go back to, I think it's day 5 or day 6.
I think it was earlier than that.
Okay, go back to the first week of
You
Vlogmas.
should just start Vlogmas at the beginning if you haven't.
Start from the beginning.
Yeah, just go.
But there is an episode where we talk a lot about that map and the map, the 2 maps that are on the door.
Oh, maybe it was
and a couple other things. Yeah, it was the moving day.
Maybe.
I don't remember, but it was back there.
Yeah.
One person asked about it. I linked to that video. But we get a lot of questions about that map because it's awesome.
It's a canvas map from IKEA.
We still haven't added Miami.
No, we added the
little stones, little rhinestones. There's little stick-on rhinestones. And then we have all of our... I stopped talking because the AC was right there. I did.
You hung those?
Yeah.
Grandma sent a pre-Christmas box yesterday. Well, she sent it last week, but it just got here yesterday. And so the kids had little gifts to open currently.
I thought they were cute.
Yes.
So I hung them from the garland. There's a snowman, and then there's Santa Claus, as my grandmother used to say.
Don't get it.
Whoa, don't scrape them off, buddy. What were you talking about? What's up?
That kind of looks like a gun.
Oh.
It's Florida, yes.
A little bit.
Florida looks like a gun.
A little bit. Like a laser gun.
Mommy, I haven't eaten this part.
Whoa. So the girls got jewelry. Brian's mom.
Let's move away from the AC and that's on.
Brian's mom
that's not
made Tara some earrings.
Okay.
And then had others made for her.
Oh, what is
Brooke
that?
got a Christmas bracelet.
It used to have a
Oh, the earrings
snowman.
actually. Hold on, the earrings are.
Okay, where is the snowman?
Because Tara leaves her stuff all over my desk. Here are the earrings.
It fell off it.
They're really pretty. But Brian's mom made those.
Oh, now it's on your face. Where's the front of them? Is there? They don't have faces. Oh, it's just the beads. Okay, I was like, where are they? Oh wow, camera's going nuts. Face, no face.
No face.
Face.
I'll face out.
Yep. Okay. So yeah, they're very cute. Face.
Yep. So for lunch today,
The elves have not moved.
no, you need to tell them to move, Brooke. So we're having Bertolli.
Chicken Florentine and farfalle.
Yeah. So the 4 of them are having this, and then I'm gonna make another salad.
Let me see yeah, let's nip it. I'll eat that. That's not too bad.
Yeah, that's not good for me. Alrighty. So I'm making the Bertolli spinach and farfalle chicken Alfredo something or other.
Florentine.
For the 4 that are not me.
Right.
And I'm going to make a salad because the yogurt I had for breakfast yesterday and the salad I had for lunch gave me lots of calories to eat for dinner, which means I could have like a proper serving of chicken instead of a itty-bitty serving.
Are you guys going to Magic Kingdom?
We have Magic Kingdom today.
It is the last day.
Yes.
Of
that we
this
can go.
calendar year that we can go to Disney.
Yeah.
So you guys should go. And I will maybe meet you there later.
No, you won't be able to. They close at 8 tonight.
Oh.
There's a party.
Okay.
So I don't want to go during the day. It's warm today and very sunny.
Yeah.
And I hate putting sunscreen on the children. So, not for any other reason it's just time consuming. Ben, can you please stop jumping on the furniture?
He can't. I think he is contractually obligated as a human being.
As a 5-year-old
As a
human being?
5-year-old to jump on the furniture, even though we tell him literally 3 times a day
not to jump on the furniture.
to not jump on the furniture.
So we've shown the induction, right?
Yes, the IKEA induction cooktop. We love it. We use it all the time.
Yep. And it's only like what, $40?
I think it went. It wasn't there last time we saw it, or last time we were at IKEA. Oh, look, Dan's talking again.
No, yeah. What?
I don't want any chicken.
Okay, I'll just give you
Wait,
stuff
Mommy,
without chicken.
Mommy,
Yeah,
can
so
we
these
eat
are
ornaments?
these are chunks of sauce, right?
Yeah, those are chunks of sauce.
The chicken pieces are a lot smaller. Yeah,
This is
one's
easy for
actually-
lunch.
It's really, really good too. So dinner last night.
Yeah.
I pulled out the Instant Pot, which I hadn't in a while. It's just been down there since I reconfigured this cabinet down here. We store it down there.
It's a huge cabinet.
I had not used it because I don't remember pulling it out. So I did white rice, like jasmine rice,
Mm-hmm.
and teriyaki chicken.
Yep, and we use the soy vey teriyaki because it's the best and delicious and really, really good.
Yep.
Usually we have it with like pineapple rings, but those would have been too much.
Why?
You had like fuzz in your face.
Fuzz in my face.
Pineapple would have been too many calories for me. So instead of having that wonderful, delicious temptation, we just had chicken and rice. And tonight we'll probably have chicken and rice with broccoli.
I need to use the fish.
We'll have fish and rice with broccoli or asparagus
Okay.
or something.
Okay.
So maybe asparagus because Tara really likes asparagus.
Yeah. And I just do the chicken. I have this little electric Foreman grill. I've had it for ever. And it has removable plates, and the plates are actually drying right now because I just finished scrubbing them. I like that thing a lot. We use that in the house a ton, and we brought it with us because it's small and it's easy to clean. And we do grill outside, but not often.
No, we don't.
Yeah.
We do it more when we're feeding more than just us.
Yeah, I just think it's too much of a hassle just for us. But when we have a bunch of people over and we're hanging out outside, it's a lot different.
Yeah.
So I like the indoor grill for just quick stuff because I can fit 4 chicken breasts on these. I mean, it's pretty big.
4 chicken breasts, 3 burgers.
Yeah. I did
You gonna
see
do the fish on
something. I'm probably gonna do the fish in there.
Okay.
Just so I have more control over it.
Okay.
Oh, I still have the glasses on, by the way.
Yay!
Lots and lots and lots and lots and lots of comments
Keep
on
commenting.
yesterday's video. Only 2? I think it's 2 now. We're voting for my old glasses. Let me turn the AC off because it's loud, but we need it because it's getting warm and humid in here. But there was only 2 out of 80 or 90 comments saying old glasses. So new glasses are here to stay for a bit. They're comfortable. I need to fiddle with the nose things a little bit. They're a little bit tight, and they're a little close to my face. I'm leaving like impressions or skin marks on the top corners, the inside corners, because my eyebrows
are so
are-
expressive.
Well, I have eyebrows. Like a brow line.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay, I was like, I have eyebrows.
Not everybody has eyebrows, honey.
They don't touch my glasses.
No, yeah, but mine do. So I just need to adjust my
Oh, I can
nose
see
stuff.
where it's hitting.
Uh-huh. Yep.
Okay.
Yep, and that happens pretty much with all glasses. So, what else?
I'm
I have to get back to work. Maybe
I
they'll
did go to Animal Kingdom last night.
Haven't looked at the footage.
Yeah, it might be too dark to share.
Yeah, if it's not, it's right here.
Land is where it's at. Probably won't be able to see this part of it, but when we went, we were taking a little break before we walked all the way out, and we went and sat, if you've been to Animal Kingdom, we went and sat where they do the show on the water, where you can like...
The kite tails?
Yeah.
Why'd that turn off?
I don't know. But we sat there just for a second. There wasn't anybody there, but it was lit, and Brooke and Ben like ran down to the front of the stands, and they were like, there's a raccoon. And I was like, don't move. I didn't know where it was. I couldn't see it, and I ran forward to see where they were, and it was like 10 feet in front of us, and just looking for popcorn and treats and stuff. And
oh, I'm sure the critters around Disney are very well fed.
Oh, I'm sure, but I'd never seen like a wild animal in the wild at Disney.
In the wild?
Yeah. So I got a little video of it, but I don't know if we'll see it because it was dark and it was 10 feet away. So
yeah. So we'll see how that looks with you. I haven't actually seen it yet. And then rest of the day, just busy. It's Friday. I don't know what's going on. Then tomorrow we have Spider-Man.
We are. We're going to see Spider-Man in the middle of the day
Right
tomorrow.
in the middle of the day. And then from that, we're immediately going to a Christmas party with a friend who lives nearby. So, I don't know.
Maybe we'll make it tonight.
If there's no Vlogmas tomorrow,
you know why.
That's why. We might just have to duck out of the party just for a little bit and do maybe a short. How long can shorts be?
I don't know, but I think I have an idea for tonight. So
for tonight?
Yeah, so that we can get it up for tomorrow.
Okay, we'll discuss.
Yeah.
In the meantime, thank you for joining us for a very uneventful day 17.
Day 17.
We have 7 days left.
Yeah.
7 days left.
And maybe we'll do a bonus Christmas one. You can see all the gifts that came from the post office.
It will not be on Christmas Day. No, it'll have to be like maybe. That'll be the next episode after Vlogmas ends.
Yeah, maybe we'll show you what happened Christmas and the week after Christmas.
Yeah. Okay. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching, guys.
We are maybe done on lunch. It's probably burning by now because she hasn't started in a while.
It's fine.
Oh, it's fine. It's just
fine. It's
bubbling away merrily.
It's nice and creamy.
Yep. Okay. That's it. We will see you guys tomorrow. Hopefully.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Yeah.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Yeah. If you like Vlogmas, hit the subscribe button if you're not already. Because to be honest, we're losing a lot of subscribers because a lot of people join our channel to watch RV tips and stuff like that, which these videos are very much not. But we can do more videos if we don't just focus on
the
RV stuff. And I only have so much gear to show off, and I only have so many tips.
So if you like Vlogmas and you like our family and you like hearing from us, subscribe so we know that you like it, and then we know we can move forward with just us stuff.
And next year there's going to be a lot of travel, but travel means day in the life stuff.
Yeah.
It doesn't necessarily mean RV tips. So
going with us to the national parks.
So if you like it, let us know, because that's what videos are going to be if you want them more frequently.
Right.
Because for a while there we were posting every other week, maybe once a month.
Right, because there just wasn't stuff going on.
And we had nothing to do. We didn't have any new gear. I didn't have stuff to talk about. So if you like day in the life stuff, you got to let us know.
Subscribe, tell your friends.
Comments help.
We love you guys so much, and we want to keep doing this. So we'll see you guys tomorrow.
Thanks, guys.
Bye.
Hi, this is the Glasgow Nomad, wishing you a happy Vlogmas from the sunny beaches of Central Florida. A favourite Christmas tradition of mine is drinking single malt scotch followed by pints of Guinness. Oh, and maybe some Christmas pudding. I hope all you colonials out there have a wonderful Christmas season, and I wish you all happy Vlogmas.